2:30 now in the afternoon, and this hive, as with a lot of the other hives, this apiary very active. It's actually home apiary. This hive actually left all the stores on last year. There was stores on it, so it'll be useful for feeding the young colonies this year. New colonies, sorry. Just trying to see if I can see any pollens coming in on this one. The others are bringing in pollens, but this hive's not in the best position. Quite shaded, sheltered spots, so the sun doesn't get on these as much as it does the others. It's one that planning to move into a better location this season. But a bit more doing now because it involves the weight of all the supers, which the bees are still in as well.